बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉपिक नंबर 2 इन दी aromatic hydrocarbons. As you can see here, we have aromatic electrophilic substitution. तो बेसिकली जो आपका एक important topic है, that is the various electrophilic substitution reactions. तो उन electrophilic substitution reactions को understand करने के लिए it is important that we should discuss this topic, that is aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. तो basically होता क्या है? If we have an aromatic compound, now by the aromatic compound we mean the compounds of carbon and hydrogen which contain at least a benzene ring, an aromatic ring, a phenyl ring. Fine. So phenyl ring में we know it's a C6H6 system. C6H6 system. That is, we have 6 carbons and 6 hydrogens. So that's why I have shown these hydrogens. So normally we need not to show this. जब हम normally लिखते हैं benzene, तो we show it like this. So it automatically means that at these 6 carbons we have 6 hydrogens. ठीक है? But I have shown it here for the understanding purpose. So we have these 6 hydrogens. Now अगर इस ring पे कोई substituent ना हो, if there is no substituent. Substituent means if we replace any of these hydrogens by any other group or by any other atom. ठीक है? Now that atom or that group will be called as substituent. If there is no substituent, all these hydrogens they are equivalent. Chemically उनका nature same है. ठीक है? Now if we replace, let's say, any of these hydrogens, I have encircled this one, I have labeled this one. If we replace, let's say, one hydrogen atom by an atom or a group called as electrophile. So if we replace in the aromatic ring or in the aromatic compounds, if we replace any of the hydrogen atoms by a group called as electrophile, now this is called as electrophilic substitution reaction. This is substitution because we are replacing hydrogen, that is we are removing hydrogen. You can see here minus H plus. So we are removing this H plus and then instead of that we are introducing electrophile. So this is called as electrophilic substitution reaction or aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Now electrophiles, we know those chemical species. So electrophile is, you can write it here. So electrophile is basically electrophile. They are the chemical species which are electron deficient. Electron deficient. Okay. For example, we have a halogen which is a plus charge. For example, Cl plus. Okay. We have SO3. We have NO2 plus. So these are all electrophiles. We have H plus, that also acts as electrophile because they are electron deficient. Phile means the affinity or love for electron rich sites. So those chemical species which are electron deficient, they will prefer to react those chemicals which are electron rich, and they will prefer to attack at those sites which are electron rich. ठीक है? तो electrophiles से हम अगर इस हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करेंगे, इट्स कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. ठीक है ना. इसमें जो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, जिस जहां कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन आता है, इवन आपके एग्जाम में जो बीएससी में जो क्वेश्चन आते हैं, दैट इज ये कैसे होता है, हाउ दिस इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन प्रोसीड्स, यानी व्हाट इज द मैकेनिज्म. फॉर दैट आई हैव केप्ट हियर, कैन सी दिस, I have kept these 3 structures. These are called resonating structures. So then it's called as the Wheland intermediate or sigma complex, or we can call it a rhenium ion. ठीक. So now, so basically this electrophilic substitution reaction, conversion of this into this, it occurs through this intermediate. I should say it occurs through these intermediate. It's basically a single intermediate. उसी intermediate में we have this resonance or conjugation. we have this the pi electron delocalization. So I have shown here 3 structures, but it's called as one intermediate. Okay. Now, how is it that formed? So we'll discuss this as the mechanism. So this will help us to understand the mechanism. So basically होता क्या है यहाँ पे? If we talk about this benzene, it has this is 3 pi bonds, so that is 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons. They're present there in the compound. And now all these, they are in conjugation. We have alternate single and double bonds, so they are in conjugation. Okay? And we know this electron pi delocalization in the form of ring, it stabilizes the structure. It stabilizes the benzene. That's why aromatic compounds are highly stable, because they have this pi delocalization of electrons. So it's highly stable, that is, just energy is low. It has low energy. Now, how it gets converted into this electrophile, how it gets converted into this structure where we have an electrophile inserted. So this proceeds through the intermediate. It's called as the Wheland intermediate. तो होता क्या है यहाँ पे basically देखिए. So let me draw the structure, then we'll try to understand this here. This is our benzene ring. Okay, so we'll draw it same here. So let's talk about this hydrogen. Now electrophile is electron rich. Our electrophile is E plus. Electrophile is electron deficient. Okay. Since all the sites are same, so it can attack anywhere. So that's why I have taken only one hydrogen. Okay. So now what happens in this case? This pi bond attacks here. Okay. So what is formed? So I can show you here in the form of, let me go here. So when this pi bond, it attacked this, so we have it now in this carbon, we have this hydrogen, and now we have this bond, that is, ये bond जो जैसे move हुआ है, so we have this carbon and the electrophile bond. So result is that this side, यहाँ से जो pi bond चला गया, this bond, इस कार्बन के पास भी था, it was between this and this carbon. So it's no more here now, so we have a positive charge. So we have carbocation formed. ठीक है? इस carbocation में we have how many electrons? 2 pi bonds, so there are 4 pi electrons. But in the parent structure, we are having 6 pi electrons. But अगर हम इनको भी देखेंगे, we have conjugation present. देखिए कैसे? This will go here, so we have a double bond here. So plus will come here. Fine. In the next structure, this will go here, so the plus will come here. So this is called as resonance. So it has a resonance between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. So I should say that ये जो intermediate है, I can show it this way. We can show it like this. So resonance is between the 5 carbons. So resonance stabilizes the structure. But in this case, जो हमारा parent compound था, benzene, there also we have resonance, but the resonance is between the 6 carbons. It's throughout the ring. So जितना ज़्यादा delocalization होगा, उतना compound ज़्यादा stable है. So this intermediate is also stable, but comparatively, it is less stable than the parent aromatic ring. ठीक है? ये जो intermediate है, it's called as a Wheland intermediate. This is also called the sigma complex. Since it's a cation, it's called as the erinium ion. ठीक है? Now उसके बाद क्या होता है? How this gets converted to the product. ठीक है? So we have how this gets converted to the product. So we have this one. Then we have a plus here. So we have a plus carbon here. Then we have this plus carbon here. So we have hydrogen here. ठीक. So now we have a plus charge here. So what happens in order to remove this plus charge, this hydrogen, this carbon hydrogen bond, so this comes here. So H is released in the form of H plus. So finally what is formed is this structure. ठीक. So we have now one double bond here, one pi bond here, one pi bond here, one pi bond here. Hydrogen is released in the form of plus. So that means now we have again this 6 pi system and then complete delocalization, and this structure is more stable than this intermediate. So finally your aromatic ring gets converted to the aromatic ring back, but with one of the hydrogen atom replaced by the electrophile. This is called as electrophilic substitution reaction. ठीक है. Now यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक मेन चीज जो डिस्कस करने की है, that I want to show you. If we can show this electrophilic substitution mechanism in the form of an important diagram called as the can show you this in the form of some important diagram. It's called as energy profile diagram. So you can see this energy profile diagram. Now this is your energy profile diagram. So I can name it as energy profile diagram. ठीक है. सो इससे हम क्या अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि एनर्जी कैसे वैरी होती है कि व्हेन द एरोमेटिक रिंग गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू द प्रोडक्ट, वायर इज द इंटरमीडिएट फॉर्म, और जो हमारा इंटरमीडिएट था, ठीक है. सो हाउ मच एनर्जी इट हैज. सो विल स्टार्ट हियर. दिस इज आवर normal benzene. I have shown it here hydrogen because we have to replace this. So this is the energy. This is potential energy of the molecule. This is the reaction coordinate. That is the progress of the reaction. Okay. So this is the energy. I should say this is the energy of aromatic ring. Now, if you move here, it is written as TS1. It's called as a transition state 1. Transition state क्या होता है? And then it is also written formation of CE bond. So basically, if you go a bit back. Now, ये जो मैंने यहाँ पे intermediate दिखाया, I have shown you that's carbon E bond. This is carbon of the aromatic, and this is not formed immediately. ठीक है. Basically होता क्या है? At the step number 1, at the initial step, जो electrophile यहाँ पे आता है, it is not directly bonded. It has a weak bond with this. It's a partial bonding between this carbon and this hydrogen. So that's what it's writing, formation of CE bond. तो ये जो transition state यानी ये intermediate का एक earliest stage जो होता है, उसमें we have partial CE bond. ठीक है. And then when this is a partial CE bond, and at the same time this bond gets weakened, this CH bond. So partial breakage of this CH bond and partial formation of this bond. So this is called as the transition state 1. अब अगर देखिए यहाँ पे तो energy is very very high. So the energy of this state is very very high. ठीक है. So now when this bond becomes completely formed, and then we have this is weak. So it's in the form of this structure. जब ये bond completely बन जाता है, so energy of that state decreases. So this becomes actual sigma complex. We have CE bond and then we have this CH bond which is a bit weak. ठीक है. And then further now we have to release this CH bond. It gets partially broken, so the breakage of CH bond is here. तो इस state में क्या होता है? ये CH bond इस state में this CH bond is weak. Very very weak. So when the bond is weak, so the energy is increases, but it is still less than this one. So when the attack takes place, the bond between C and E, this carbon and E, this is weak, energy is very very high. Now at the final state, when this CH has to leave, this bond is very weak, energy is high. But अगर आप इन दो को compare करेंगे, this is less energetic, this is high energetic. And then when that CH bond leaves, जब ये खत्म हो जाता है, now resonance comes into the picture, we have 6 pi electrons, so energy of the system decreases. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं energy also decreases. So overall आपके reactant और product में energy तकरीबन same होती है. Product has slightly less energy than your reactant, that's your benzene ring. But overall दोनों structures की energy कम है because they have 6 pi electrons in conjugation. There is delocalization across the 6 carbons. यहाँ पे भी delocalization across the 6 carbons, but in these structures we have only 4 pi electrons, and the delocalization in these 3 that occurs only in between 5 carbon atoms. Here we have 6 carbon atoms, delocalization across the 6 carbon atoms. So this is how actually the energy changes take place. So this is basically called as the energy profile diagram. तो इसमें अब बेसिक जो मेन एम है इस डायग्राम को दिखाने का, दैट इज द एनर्जी. सो व्हेन द इंटरमीडिएट इज फॉर्मड, द एनर्जी इज वेरी हाई इन कंपैरिजन टू आवर प्रोडक्ट एंड इन कंपैरिजन टू आवर एरोमेटिक रिंग. ठीक है. सो दिस इज अबाउट द एरोमेटिक इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. तो इसमें रीजन ये है कि दैट द सब्स्टिट्यूशन टेक्स प्लेस थ्रू द इंटरमीडिएट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द व्हीलेंड इंटरमीडिएट. और वो इंटरमीडिएट जो होता है उसमें भी चूंकि कॉन्जुगेशन होती है between the 5 carbons, delocalization of pi electrons between the 5 carbons, so we can show that this in the form of 3 resonating structures. So वो जो intermediate है, it's also called as Wheland intermediate, it's called as sigma complex or erhenium ion. इस पे questions आते रहते हैं जो competitive exams होते हैं. Now इसके अलावा there is one more theory that I want to discuss here. There is one more theory as far as the electrophilic substitution reaction is concerned. वो मैं discuss नहीं करूंगा. That theory says that before formation of final product, there is basically a pi complex is formed between the electrophile and this, and then that pi complex finally gets converted to the product. So initially it was your benzene ring, it was like this. So this was our benzene ring. So in presence of electrophile, यहाँ sigma complex नहीं बनता है, यहाँ बनता है pi complex. This is one theory, another theory. This is called as pi complex. So pi complex basically होता क्या है? That ये जो pi bond electrons है, in between those pi electrons, they are directly interacting with this electrophile. So that weak interaction, it results in the formation of one complex that's called as a pi complex. ठीक है. So there are two theories, लेकिन जो most important theory जो ज़्यादा discuss की जाती है, that is the sigma complex formation, this one, which I discuss is here. ठीक है. But this is also one concept, so we should keep this in mind. So this is all about the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction, which occurs when we talk about the electrophilic substitution reactions like sulfonation, nitration, halogenation. Those all we will discuss in the the coming classes. ठीक है. So I hope you understood the formation of the electrophilic substitution reaction through the intermediate called as the sigma complex or pi complex. ठीक है. So this is all about today's class. Then the next week we'll meet again. So meanwhile अगर आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चंस है तो आप ग्रुप में भी लिख सकते हैं, आप मुझे पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज भी लिख सकते हैं, आप कमेंट्स में भी लिख सकते हैं. थैंक यू.